Hey everyone, Oric here from PartsPro. We are here at the Manila International Auto Show at the PIAA and JBL booth with none other than Miss Jen Teo. So Jen, could you tell us a little more about the goods you have on this 5-door Jimny?
Sure. This is the new 5-door Jimny, and we've suited it up with the concept of overlanding and having a better sound system upgraded with JBL. We can start with for PIAA. We actually installed our new LPX sport lamps up front. You'll notice we have quad lights here to act as extra visibility, and also, of course, our quad lights on here. So you'll notice that we have shorter LED light bars here up top, attached to right below the roof head that has been installed by overlanding. And actually inside, all of the lamps have their individual switches so that you can manually control them as you need to.
That's way more convenient than having like individual switches, like a panel this big, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, ganyan, no?
Actually, I can show you how clean the switches look.
Ayun, actually, sige nga.
So, right here, you can take a look at it. It's just a simple pad like this.
Ayun,
So
alright.
like this.
Okay, so yeah, you could pretty much just...
For one of the smaller fog lights, this is actually it.
Ayun.
Yeah.
So yeah, you could pretty much stick this into like a black panel here and control it from on the fly.
It's custom by the installer. The installer can actually do that for you.
Perfect, no? Now that we're here, by the way, could you tell us a little more about yung sound setup nito?
Okay, so we upgraded the audio of the 5-door Jimny. I know, actually, if anyone has owned a Jimny or if you've probably heard that it's a challenge to upgrade Jimny, a Suzuki Jimny, right, in terms of audio. So what we did here was we upgraded it with the JBL Club SQ series.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's the series where you get like, it's a mid-tier series, but it gives you that sound quality that you're still looking for. So here, these are the front speakers that we have, just to give you an idea of where it is. And here's the tuner with the custom paneling.
May custom shroud na siya.
Yes, may custom na siya. This system is actually built with two types of subwoofers, the BassPro Lite and the BassPro Go. The BassPro Lite is installed under the seat here. I think we'll show you later on. And then the BassPro Go.
All right. So Jen, what do you have back here? How did you make use of the trunk of the 5-door Jimny?
Okay, so as I mentioned, for the 5-door Jimny here at the show, we're setting it up for overlanding, and so we installed two types of subwoofers. One is to show flexibility, but the second is because we're highlighting what is known as the JBL BassPro Go. So for overlanders, you always want to have music carried with you.
Oh yeah.
Right? So what we did was, the BassPro Go is a subwoofer, functions same as a subwoofer. You have to have it installed, have it tuned, but the best part about it is, once it charges in the car, you can actually remove it from its dock and use it as an outdoor wireless Bluetooth speaker. That's the beauty of it. So what happens is, it becomes your portable boombox once you get to your destination.
You know, that's quite innovative, no? Na somehow it fits perfectly into that overlanding camping lifestyle, no?
It's the best thing actually for if you're going outdoors. So you get the same kind of quality upgraded music that you want on your way to the destination.
Oh, it's perfect. It's right there. Just grab and go.
Yes, grab and go. And then when you put it back in, your car just charges it again.
Grabe, a lot of innovative products from JBL. And of course, all your products here, the PIAA fogs and the JBL sound system, they are all available at PartsPro. So once again, Jen, thank you so much for having us.
So much,
thank you for
Oric.
showing us around your products.